Just down here in the garage. Thought I'd do a bit of a vlog, get the car out, and yeah, got to take some photos to send them off to the panel beaters, get a bit of an estimate. Was going to try and do some work myself, but you know, these things are a little bit trickier than originally planned, so send it off to them, see what it comes back with, then make a decision what stuff I do myself, what I get them to do, and push on from there. There it is. As you can see, all water blasted, sandblasted, and collecting a little bit of surface rust, but it's kind of okay, I think. And there's quite a few bits to cut out, but I've got panels. You can buy any panels you can think of, so fingers crossed that it's not going to be a major, but we'll see how we go. So there's a bit of rust spots here and there. We're looking at sort of the floor pan mostly. Pretty common. A few spots on the guards, really common in the roof area. A couple little bits in the rear guard. The floors and the boots pretty bad, but not the end of the world kind of thing. That's just somebody's old poor patch that they've done a while ago. Another little hole, same spot on the other side. It's all pretty standard familiar stuff. The front has had a bit of an incident at some point, so I've actually got a new one of those ready to go on, so just to keep it cleaner. Like, the front's obviously the place you want to look good, so a little bit of rust through the firewall there, so hopefully that can be patched up. It doesn't need to be completely started again, but time will tell. So I've got floor panels, this one here, these two are for the floor of the car, front floors, so they're all easy enough to get. And I've got a nice box over here from the UK with the rear panel there, all the front panels are in there, bit of glass that needs a bit of clean, some Toyota GT seats out of a Levin, I believe, so they should be quite good. Here's the engine just waiting for its home. Front subframe with brakes and everything ready, a couple of sets of tires good to go, so yeah, it's just a matter of getting the photos off to the panel beaters and see what they come back with, really. And if the estimate's okay and not too crazy, I'll get them to do the bulk of that real good patch up work. Has to get rust repairs and certified for it, so I need someone to sort of sign off on it anyway, so we'll go from there, and we'll see where we come out and push on.